All right, we're out here in Brunswick County looking at 8 lots out here listed for $28,000 a piece. Let's talk to Ricky and see what he thinks about them. This is Ricky. He's my superintendent. Thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
What do we look for on these lots?
First, you take a look around and you want to look at the neighbor situation. It has to be desirable for potential home buyers. You don't want a lot of trash, a lot of terrible houses around. It's got to be something that's going to be desirable. That's the first thing you look at. Second, you take a look to see if there's any police department. You look for fire departments, school districts.
We saw a brand new fire department being built right around the corner.
These lots right here have all 3 of those above, so that's looking really good. Then you want to take a look at how it would be to clear the lots. That is another one. Is there any low spots? There'll be little fields, taken out of here, but they're all deciding factors. Then you take a look at what's infrastructure, what's going on around it, underground sewer, parking. Then you look at power, is it above ground, is it below ground? Again, all deciding factors.
Find out about these is where it's at.
Take a look here. Luckily, if you take a look down the street, all the power is in place. We do see a new fire hydrant down there. That's a typical sign that there is some nice water lines that is ran underneath the ground here. So that's good.
And there is county water.
There is county water. And we also took a look, and there's telecommunications already put in as well, fiber optics, I think it was.
We will have to do perk tests.
Yeah.
Which we'll have to do before we get past our due diligence. It takes about 4 weeks, we were told.
Yeah.
To do a perk test. And that comes out of our pocket. Typical cost for is, I believe, about $500-600.
So far, these have checked all the boxes that we look for in a building and potentially be good investments. You just got to do your homework, do your due diligence, and check into these things before you go gung-ho and just buy these lots and try to build houses, because unexpected costs are something that no one wants to procure during these processes.
That's right. Paved road we like.
Yep. Yeah, definitely paved road. And if it's not a paved road, at least take a look, get with the town and see if it's something that's in the future works for theirs. It shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it is also a great selling point.
What else do we look at?
There's new convenience stores located. There's a lot of restaurants that is all here in this little small town. Also, one of my favorite, if you look on the aerial, we're within 7 miles to the ocean. So that is a great point. Accessibility, there's another thing. There's a nice ferry system at the end of this. It takes you over in Wilmington. It's also a 30-minute drive to a major city of Wilmington in our area. A lot of shopping, a lot of schools, like I said. So far, this looks like a good deal.
It's the largest county in the state. It is also the fastest growing county in the state.
Really, we're 40 minutes to South Carolina state line. They're in Myrtle Beach, so there's some entertainment things that could be going on there as well.
There's a golf course right down the road.
Golf course was great.
We're sold.
Yeah, we're sold. We're sold. Taco joint.
Taco place.
And it also has a good park around this area too. So a nice public park.
It's good for families.
It's a growing
area. The things we looked at was the setbacks.
Yeah.
All their 10-foot side setbacks. It's a 70-foot wide lot, so we have plenty of room to build something with a 1 or a 2-car garage. And we're trying to stay in an entry-level point, which for this area is about 300, but that's about where we want to be.
Turnkey something like this, probably 4.5 months total, maybe 4. If it goes faster, could be. Just depending on weather. A lot of deciding factors.
Ricky likes to push schedule. He's ambitious. I love it.
Yeah.
I was thinking 5 months this morning, so not far off from me.
Yeah.
All right.
So far, so good, man.
All right. Appreciate it, Ricky.
Yeah, man. Absolutely.